Hey everybody. One of the cool places I stopped was Prada Marfa, which looks like an actual Prada store, but instead it's an actual art installation. So I went in thinking I'd buy my mom something, and then it turns out it wasn't a real store. So, Prada Marfa. I'm just driving down Route 90 in Texas, and I saw this, I go, holy, I can't believe it. Oh, hi. How you doing? I'm here near, I guess it's Marfa, Texas. It's probably not Marfa, Texas. But here I am at Prada Marfa, where I was going to buy a bag for my mom, but obviously they're closed. Actually, this is a site, this is an art site. It's an actual, looks like an actual Prada store. It has their shoes, has their bags. It looks like a Prada store. Prada Marfa. Prada Marfa.